Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class in exercise 5.2 we have completed first bit and fifth bit. Today we will complete second, third, fourth bits and we will learn what is intersecting lines, perpendicular lines and parallel lines. Second bit, which angle in the adjacent figure? Now see the adjacent figure. Those who have textbook, look at the textbooks. Textbooks journey na? Which angles in the adjacent figure are acute and which are obtuse? Check your estimation by measuring them. Write their measures too. So just now I said how to draw the angles. ఇంతకు ముందు క్లాస్లో యాంగిల్స్ ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో చెప్పాను కదా. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేశారంటే మీ ప్రొట్రాక్టర్తో ఈ 1 2 3 4 ఈ 4 యాంగిల్స్ని మెజర్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు మెజర్ చేసినప్పుడు వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే ఆఫ్టర్ మెజరింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 30 degrees, then 30, 40, like that you have to write. Angle 1, you have to measure angle 1, then how many degrees. Measure angle 2 and how many degrees. Measure angle 3 and how many degrees. Measure angle 4 and how many degrees you have to write. Then which are then you will get angle 1 and angle 3 are acute angles. Then they are asking which are adjacent angles, means angle 1 to angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3 are adjacent acute angles. You will get that as acute angles. Next, angle 2, angle 4 you will get as obtuse angles. Obtuse angles. So measure చేసి రాయండి. తెలియకపోతే నేను అడగండి, చెప్తాను ఎలా మెజర్ చేయాలి. Actually I don't have small protractor to measure, that's why I am not measuring. Otherwise I will explain in the next class. Next, what is the measure of these line segments? Which is the largest angle? Draw an angle larger than the largest. Which is the largest angle? Draw an angle larger than the largest. That means take your protractor and measure these angles. ఈ యాంగిల్స్ మెజర్ చేసి ఎన్ని డిగ్రీస్ రాయండి. ఈ లాస్ట్ వన్ మెజర్ చేసేసరికి 3. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది 40 ఉంది అనుకోండి, 40 degrees. ఇది 90 ప్లస్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక 110 degrees. ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 90 degrees. దట్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 40, ఇట్ ఈస్ 110, ఇట్ ఈస్ 90. 40, 110, 90 వచ్చినాయి కదా. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీస్ యాంగిల్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద గ్రేటర్ యాంగిల్? 110. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇప్పుడు 110 కంటే గ్రేటర్ యాంగిల్ అంటే 120, 30, 40 అట్లా ఏదైనా డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. లార్జర్ దెన్ లార్జెస్ట్. 110 కంటే పెద్దగా ఉన్న ఏ యాంగిల్ అయినా డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. సో డ్రా 135 degrees యాంగిల్ ఎవ్రీవన్. 135 degrees డ్రా చేయండి, లేకపోతే 140 మీ ఇష్టం. ఓకే, లార్జర్ దెన్ ద లార్జెస్ట్. ఈ మూడిట్లో లార్జర్గా ఉన్న యాంగిల్ కంటే ఇంకా పెద్ద యాంగిల్ని డ్రా చేయమన్నాడు. ఈ మూడిట్లో పెద్ద ఉన్న యాంగిల్ సెకండ్ యాంగిల్ 110 degrees వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. 110 degrees కంటే పెద్దగా ఐదర్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు టేక్ 120, 130, 140, 160 ఎనీథింగ్, టేక్ ఎనీథింగ్ అండ్ డ్రా ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్, write the types of angles found between the long hand and short hand of the clock given timings. Take the small hand as the base. So I will draw the clocks and I will show which type of angles are found. Fourth bit, first question. We should draw at 9 o'clock in the morning. 12, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 and 9 should be same. 10, 11. Morning 9 o'clock. What they said? Take the small hand as base. Small hand and large hand. Then what you will get done exactly here you got 90 degrees. That means it is right angle. You should write like this. Right angle. Next, at 6 o'clock in the evening. Evening 6 o'clock means draw the clock again. 12, 6, 1, 2, 3, 3 straight to 3 you will get 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Evening 6 o'clock. Small hand as base. Minutes hand as, hours hand as base, minutes hand as angle. Though it is straight angle. Straight angle 180 degrees. Here angle will form here. Angle will form here. It is 180 degrees. STRAIGHT, straight angle. Next, 12 noon, 12 o'clock. Third one, 12 o'clock. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. 12 o'clock means small and both are. It is 0 degrees, 0 angle. Next, fourth one, At 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 4 o'clock. Fourth question, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. See, it is obtuse angle. OBTUSE, obtuse angle. Next, 8 o'clock in the night. 8 o'clock in the night. Fifth one, 8 o'clock in the night. Right. It is also obtuse angle. OBTUSE, obtuse, ANGLE, obtuse angle. So like this you have to write which is acute angle, which is obtuse angle, which is right angle and straight angle you have to write. Afterwards we have fifth bit. We have completed the fifth bit. Sorry Nana, fifth one reflex angle. So fifth one reflex angle you have forgotten. Reflex. Next, we have to learn about intersecting line, perpendicular line and parallel line. Next, intersecting line, perpendicular line, parallel line. What is meant by intersecting? What is meant by parallel line? What is meant by perpendicular? So I'll explain here. First, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Next, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Next, parallel lines. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L, parallel, L-I-N-E-S. Parallel lines. Intersecting lines, perpendicular lines and parallel lines. Intersecting line means if the two lines are intersect, if two lines have a common point, then that lines are called, they are called intersecting lines. If two lines have a common point, now these two lines are intersecting here, they have the common point, so these two lines are said to be intersecting. That means if two lines are intersected at a common point, ఈ రెండు lines ఎక్కడ కలుసుకున్నాయి నాన్న? Here. These two lines are intersecting lines like this. Intersecting lines. Now these two lines have the common point here. So these two, this line and this line are intersecting lines. If two lines are intersected at the same point, then that lines are called intersecting points. Now these two lines have the common point here. These two lines have the common point here. These are intersecting lines. Then perpendicular lines. Perpendicular means, see, like this. If the shape is like this, then it is one perpendicular line. It is one perpendicular line. If it is now exactly it is 90 degrees. It is base and it is straight line. Base line to on your protractor. Observe one thing. This horizontal line, for this horizontal line, this vertical line is exactly 90 degrees. ఈ horizontal 180 degrees line కి ఈ 90 degrees vertical line అనేది exactly 90 degrees లో ఉంటుంది. So like this, perpendicular means exactly 90 degrees. Perpendicular means if two lines each other at a right angle, ఏవైనా రెండు lines right angle దగ్గర each other. For example, L shape చూడండి నాన్న. For this base line, this line intersected right angle దగ్గర మీట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. అలానే హాస్పిటల్లో సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, ప్లస్ సింబల్ ఉంది అనుకోండి చూడండి. ఈ లైన్ కి ఈ లైన్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ దగ్గర మీట్ అయింది. ఈ లైన్ కి ఈ లైన్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ దగ్గర మీట్ అయింది. ఈ లైన్ కి ఈ లైన్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ దగ్గర. These two lines are meet at 90 degrees like that. The lines which meet at 90 degrees are called perpendicular lines. That means otherwise you name it. Perpendicular means exactly in the shape of L. L shape lo untundi. See, L shape, L shape. Now the symbol of perpendicular is like this. ఇలా ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే perpendicular అంటారు. It is a symbol of perpendicular means C. Here 90, here 90, like that. That is perpendicular. Then parallel lines means the lines which are not intersect at any point. ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర intersect కానీ lines ని ఏమంటారంటే parallel lines అంటారు. For the parallel lines, the best example is train track. Railway track తెలుసు కదా, railway track పోతూనే ఉంటుంది, ఎక్కడ intersect అవ్వదు. So like this straight or like this straight. See, these two lines are intersect anywhere, ఎక్కడ మీట్ అవ్వదు, ఇలా పోతూనే ఉంటారు. These also. The lines which do not intersect at anywhere, ఎక్కడ మీట్ అవ్వని lines ఏమంటారంటే parallel lines అంటారు. Parallel lines are opposite to each other. దానికి opposite గా ఉంటాయి. These two are opposite to each other, these two are opposite to each other. Intersecting line means the lines which have the common point. ఈ రెండు lines ఎక్కడ మీట్ అయ్యి వాటి కామన్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుందో వాటిని intersecting lines అంటారు. Perpendicular means exactly 90 degrees like this. See Nana, intersecting lines means like this. Perpendicular lines means like this. Then parallel lines means like this. These two hands are also do not intersect anywhere like this. These are the examples for intersecting perpendicular and parallel lines. For the parallel lines, the next example is train track, railway track. Now we have learned parallel, perpendicular, intersecting lines. Now take out your textbooks, page number 49, exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Which of the following are models of parallel lines, perpendicular lines, which are neither of them? రెండు లాగా ఉండేటి parallel lines, perpendicular లాగా ఉండేటి ఏంటి అని అడుగుతున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రైటింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ద వర్టికల్ విండో బార్స్. వర్టికల్ మీన్స్ పొడవుగా ఇలా. నౌ వి ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 5.3. ఇన్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 5.3 వర్టికల్ విండో బార్స్. Exercise 5.3 first bit. First question, vertical window bars means like this. ఇలా ఉంటాయి. What example lana? Parallel lines. They are not intersect. So that's why that are parallel lines. So we have to write that as parallel lines. First one, parallel lines. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L. Parallel, L-I-N-E-S. Parallel lines. Second one, railway lines. Railway lines, just now I said for parallel lines, railway line is the best example. So railway line is also example of parallel lines. Next, third one is the adjacent edges of a door. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Next, the letter B in English alphabet. B letter nana. ఇవన్నీ ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి, బట్ నైదర్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ లైన్స్ ఇవి ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి, కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి హెడ్డింగ్ లో parallel lines, perpendicular lines అడిగింది, intersecting lines అడగలేదు కదా. సో వాట్ వి హావ్ టు రైట్ నైదర్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. నైదర్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ అంటే వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన హెడ్డింగ్ లో parallel lines, perpendicular lines ఉంది, intersecting lines లేదు కాబట్టి లేదు అని రాయడానికి బదులుగా నైదర్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ అని రాస్తున్నాం అంతే. Neither of them. Next, the opposite edges of the blackboard. See, opposite edges of that edge is opposite to this edge. This edge is opposite to that edge. So that is parallel lines. Good. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L. Parallel lines. Next, second question. Trace the copy of a set squares in the geometry box on a paper and mark the perpendicular edges. Now, in your geometry box, this is the set square. These two are called set squares. ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపి ఏమంటారంటే set squares అంటారు. These two are called set squares. Now we have to trace the set squares. Set squares ని trace చేయాలంటే వాటిని బోర్డు పైన పెట్టి డ్రా చేయాలి. మీ geometry box లో ఉంటాయి నాన్న. This is set square 45 degrees. So we have to trace the set squares. ఇలా ట్రేస్ చేయాలి. then another set square. Paper, mark the perpendicular edges. It is another set square. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే తీసుకున్నాం కదా సెట్ స్క్వేర్ ని, ఇప్పుడు పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఎడ్జెస్ ని మార్క్ చేయాలంట. సి it is perpendicular here 90 degrees, so that's why mark the perpendicular edges. It is not perpendicular, it is not perpendicular. Next, now see here, this line is perpendicular to this line, so these two are perpendicular edges 90 degrees here. Now this line and this line intersecting here 90 degrees straight and straight. Already here I have 90 degrees. 90 degrees like that we have to trace the perpendicular lines. Here also solving the yes. Now in your geometry box you have set square, ila set square untundi meeru kuda ilane trace cheyali, okay na? Next, now third question, ABCD is a rectangle. They have given the rectangle. For the rectangle we have to write the answers. Third question, ABCD is a rectangle. AC and BD are diagonals. Write the pairs of parallel lines, perpendicular lines and intersecting lines from the figure in the symbolic form. Parallel lines. Now which two lines are parallel lines, Nana? AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC. Then in the form of symbolic form, in the first question they are parallel lines. AB is parallel to, parallel line symbol ఇది. ఇందాక ఏం చెప్పాను, పర్పెండిక్యులర్ లైన్ కి మాత్రమే సింబల్ చెప్పాను కదా. Parallel line symbol, perpendicular line symbol, intersecting line like this. Now I think sorry for the intersecting lines, there is no symbol, just you have to say intersecting lines. AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC, AD is parallel to BC. Next, second question, perpendicular lines. AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC. BC is perpendicular to CD. BC is perpendicular to CD. CD is perpendicular to AD. CD is perpendicular to AD. AD is perpendicular to AB. AD is perpendicular to AB. Next, pairs of intersecting lines. These two lines are intersecting here, so AC and BD are two pairs of intersecting lines. Third answer, AC comma BD or BD are two pairs of intersecting lines. Two pairs of intersecting lines. So exercise 5.3 has completed. Just we have to complete your homework up to exercise 5.3. In the next class I will explain. We'll go to the new chapter, that is integers. Okay children, complete your homework up to here. If you have any doubts, may call to me, ask to me, I will explain again.